I do have a very bad golf or tennis elbow and very weak knees as well. So the treatment here was able to relieve those symptoms as well as the shockwave therapy. Hi, hello, my name is Stanley. I'm 43 this year and I work as a business development manager. The reason why I started coming to this chiropractic center is that I came across an advertisement featuring the center's services, so it got me interested and I was very curious to see how a chiropractor may improve my well-being and my lifestyle. In the beginning, I was hoping to learn more about how my general well-being can be maintained or can be improved further, and hopefully will lead me to continue to lead a pain-free, active lifestyle. The treatment offered at this center so far has been, for me, my experience, very comforting, very easy for me to understand, to appreciate the use of it, and how I could go on to continue with the exercise on my own, and then to come back again for the treatments and the corrections. My favorite part of the treatment, I would say, is the conversation with my doctor, and also the interaction with the staff. And of course, every time, if Michelle is to correct any of my problems, she would go on to explain about the reasons or the rationale behind it, what are the causes, and how to resolve it, or what I should do to prevent or to remind myself from not making the same mistakes again. The kind of mistakes or the issues that I have with my lifestyle that I have managed to get some relief or correction here includes a very bad golf or tennis elbow and very weak knees as well. So the treatment here was able to relieve those symptoms as well as the shockwave therapy. And then Michelle will go on to explain to me what are the strengthening exercises I could do on my own, and how long or how frequent those should be done, and how they help me with preventing or strengthening the muscles around my problem area. I could have that peace of mind to continue to play hard, to work hard, knowing that what I do is correct, and that if I have any doubts or questions, I could always come back to the center and ask for advice and information. I must say that being very careful and having that knowledge on how the body works, or what are the limitations, or in terms of improving the flexibility, all this has actually helped me to have that peace of mind, knowing that the range of motion has improved a lot. People are still undecided to try out a chiropractor. Come with an open mind, learn about what are the areas, because for yourself or for myself, I may not know how serious or big my underlying problems could be. I could know my pains or where it hurts, but how to correct it, not just relieve it, how to manage it better would be definitely come from professional advice, and how much you are willing to listen and to make the correction. I guess the other part is the commitment that you are willing to give and to benefit from the treatments here.